Most people, as I understand, they just start from Idealista. They scan a few listings from there. They see pretty pictures. It happened to me once. I wanted to buy a house, and the pictures in the Idealista, they were gorgeous. And when I arrived to the house, it was like, the road like that. And it was, I think, in Torremolinos somewhere. And it was surrounded by the 10-floor concrete houses all around me. And then there was this tiny small house that obviously they couldn't demolish because it's protected. You cannot even develop it, but you don't see it in Idealista.
Yeah.
What else can happen like that?
It's a classic story, you have this beautiful apartment, beautiful views, and you think, wow, how can that be for that price? I want that. But then you go there, it's next to the A7. A lot of road noise. You don't hear that in the pictures. So a lot of clients that wanted to buy with us who are not here don't want to fly in for a reviewing. So I just go in there, shoot a video with my phone and tell them, because I know my client, because we had a lot of talks on it, what they want and what they appreciate and what they don't want. So I just go there, as a live person, as basically a part of them looking at the property. And then I say, okay, it doesn't have any side effects that we didn't calculate on. So I think it's a good one. I think you should fly in for this one. So we make a pre-selection basically for our client, because we know what our clients want. So that's how we find it, and that's how we save our clients time. You mentioned Idealista, and it's not only the winding road that leads to it, or it's further away. Of course, if there's a video that doesn't show view, then probably there is no view. If they show a lot of view, then maybe the kitchen is very bad. So there's always something going on. The truth on Idealista, everybody can post there, and we see a lot of things that are not correct. I think maybe we could even state that 1 or 2 in 5 are good, and the rest has a history. It's a ghost listing. It's not existing. It's sold already. It has, road noise or hidden features that you don't want. Even we have pictures taken from our listings put in as a different listing just to gain leads. So yeah, there's a lot going on. We have like 2,000 agents in this area, which is crazy. You don't have to be certified to be a real estate agent, and that attracts a lot of people. There are a lot of one-man armies that are not properly registered, that not even have an SL or a decent business. But they just want to get a piece of the pie. And yeah, that worries us all. But yeah, it is what it is. So be aware, what you see on Idealista, it's not always true. Have a good agency, an agent that you trust, and he can filter out for you. He can make a pre-selection. He can select at the gate, and it only shows you what is real.
What other, like for example, I am a foreign client. I want to fly in only, for example, to see 3 to 5 properties, but I don't want to fly in after 2 weeks if I find something. And can I send you there and qualify those things that I really like in Idealista? How does it work?
Yeah, I must say, in my personal case, I don't think I do more than 3 viewings with a client. I think on average, it's, I don't know. In the Netherlands, I think they have 1.2 kids. That's not doable, but that's the average. I think I do 1.2 viewings per client, and I even have clients who buy blind. That says something on the time I invest in a client to really know what they want. And of course, they tell me they saw this. I know how their home looks like, which gives me an idea of their taste and how interior could be. They want Andalusian style or modern, want a new build. So the more I know, the better I can pick. But yes, I can pre-select. My client shows me something, say, hey, I saw this one, could be something. You go there. Then I just go there, make a video, send it to them, and tell them my honest, blunt opinion. If I know my client, then I'll say, listen, this is not the one for this or that reason. On the other hand, I will say to my client, this is the one, just got online yesterday, we do a reservation now.
Because of a good area, because of a good value that it has for
If it ticks all the boxes, and as said before, I prepare my client. We have a lawyer, we have the money in place, so we are able to act. So if you then encounter the right property, and of course we are on top of new properties that come up, I said I see like 200, 250 properties a day flying by on my phone, my computer, and all my systems. So if a new one pops up, I call directly that client that is looking for that one and say, listen, this is here now. So if they need to fly in, they will fly in a few days. If we don't have the time, then it's trust and gut feeling. We say, okay, we make a reservation upon viewing. We claim it, we pay the reservation, and come in as soon as you can, because the hot properties fly before going online. So you want to be ready to act. That's why I prepare my client to be ready to act.